Garmin Aviation Database Manager version 26.7.14 now includes two new features designed to make database updates easier: Save Databases and In-App Chat. The new feature Save Databases lets you download database files to your computer while you have an internet connection. Later, you can install those saved files to your media, such as an SD card, without being connected to the internet. When you're offline, the databases are not downloaded from the internet. Instead, they are copied from files that are already stored on your computer and then transferred to your media. To create saved databases, make sure you are connected to the internet. Then follow these steps. Click Update, Reinstall. Choose whether to update expired databases, reinstall all databases, or select specific databases. Select the Download Only option. The application will begin to sync with Fly Garmin and download the selected databases to your computer. When the download is complete, select Done. Your downloaded files are now available in the Save Databases section at the top of the application. You can create more than one saved database if you manage different aircraft, regions, or database sets. For example, you might set up one save download for the United States and another for transatlantic routes, so you can switch between them depending on where you're flying. When creating a save database, you can also exclude databases that do not need to be updated every cycle, such as terrain or base map databases. You can also rename a saved database to make it easier to identify. Hover over the name in the top left corner, select the pencil icon, and enter the new name. After a saved database is created, the application turns on Auto Update. When your computer is connected to the internet, Auto Update helps keep your saved databases current with the latest database cycles. When you are ready to install the saved databases to your media, an internet connection is not required as long as the databases were already downloaded to your computer. Connect your media, such as an SD card, to the computer and then follow these steps. Click Update, Reinstall. Select Install. Choose your storage device and then select Continue. When the installation is complete, select Done. Your databases are now installed on your media and are ready to use. Garmin Aviation Database Manager also includes an in-app chat feature. Chat gives you a quick way to ask questions about the application. When an aviation product support representative is available, a chat box appears in the upper portion of the application. To start a chat, select the chat box and enter the required information. You can move the chat box anywhere on the screen and the application will keep it in that position. If the chat box does not appear, our representatives are helping other customers. You can still contact Garmin Aviation Product Support by phone or email. Select Help, then Garmin Support, then contact phone numbers. For more information, visit support.garmin.com/aviation. Thanks for watching.